May schedule release na ang CNA Incentive 2024, pero ang SRI 2024 wala pa. Yes friends, ito yung narinig natin ay nabasa. Please watch the full video. Pag-usapan natin ito. Totoo po friends, may nabasa tayo sa group chat po namin. Pero hindi ko po ito ma-share kasi screenshot po ito, bawal po tayo. Right? Baka ma-data privacy act tayo. Anyway, may schedule of release na ang CNA Incentive 2024. Pero ang SRI 2024 ay wala pa po. Right? I'm sure po mayroon din kayong mga group chat sa offices ninyo or sa grupo ninyo. Right? Kami din friends, meron din. At na-update po tayo na may schedule of release na ang CNA Incentive 2024. Ito po, basahin po natin. Board Resolution 2024-009. Whereas the Department of Budget and Management or DBM issued Budget Circular Number 2024-4 dated 11 November 2024 on the guidelines in the grant of the Collective Negotiation Agreement incentive for the year 2024. Item number 4.2.3 states that in all cases, the CNA incentive shall not exceed 30,000 pesos per qualified employee. Item number 4.4.1 also states that the fiscal year 2024 CNA incentive is a one-time benefit which shall be granted not earlier than December 15, 2024, but not later than December 31, 2024. Ayan po. So very clear po friends ang date, not earlier than December 15, 2024. Ibig sabihin, hindi pwede December 14, December 13, and before that dates. But pwede po sa December 15 and onwards up to December 31, 2024. Ayan po friends, may date na po. And of course, meron ng amount na nakita natin or nabasa, not exceeding 30,000 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, pwede 29,000, 28,000, or less. Right? Kasi ang maximum amount is not exceeding 30,000 per employee. Ayan po. Ngayon, ang SRI 2024 friends, wala pa tayong nabalitaan, nabasa, or narinig from our President, BBM. Kasi si BBM po ang mag-declare nito kung magbigay ng SRI 2024 sa lahat ng mga government employees, right? So maghintay po tayo sa AO or Administrative Order. So I believe mauna po ang release ng CNA Incentive 2024 kesa sa SRI 2024 if I'm not mistaken. Alright? So keep watching my YouTube channel friends. Kung may update tayo sa SRI 2024, gawan natin agad ng video. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.